Yeah, does not. That's actually my NAS and my internet. Let's see. Thanks, dog. You did me a favor. Did me a big favor by eating my internet. I had to get rid of this anyways. So, thanks, puppy. Does this look familiar? Hey, you. Do you know what this is? Whoa, do you know what it is? What? It's just the internet. It's just the internet. What? I just want to talk about it. I just want to talk about it. Dude. She acts like I'm abusive. I don't do anything to this dog. You got a guilt trip. You thought you could beat me by taking a right. Nope. What? Look. What are you doing? Did y'all do this?
He grabbed the remote. He pushed me off.
Watch the dog.
Okay. Grab the remote.
No. I want to see what y'all are doing. What are y'all doing?
I'll get the remote.
Hey, quit pulling the blanket down.
Fine, I'll get this blanket out. He's ready.
She doesn't want to talk about it. Talk about it. Ouch. Rosie, look at it. Damn, it's like lightning. Not to get mixed up with my other cables. Yeah, I love cable management, but like, it's hard when you have a dog. Electrician scissors.
Do I unravel it?
You do it so that it doesn't. Yeah, hold on. Good. Now take this. Follow me. Plug it into that one right there. That.
This
one. Yep. Other way. Flip around. Yep. Good job. Stop. Calm down. What are you doing?
Next time you're gonna have to do triple tape. I'm right here.
Here, pass it under where that one is.
I ain't here.
Here, right under this.
I'm not here. You can't see me. I just here. I disappeared.
Yeah, maybe it does. Damn it. There's a light behind you if you scoot back a little bit.
You have a light behind you too?
Oh look, the internet's working. Yay! What's wrong? Why are you coughing like that? Yay! Yay! Clean your closet.